Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will discuss budget, and this budget is for the students of MBA second semester. Though I have already discussed this budget in my previous class, and I have already uploaded the recorded videos, as well as I have taken live class also on Facebook. I have uploaded the lectures on as well as YouTube. Again, I am revising this chapter so that whosoever has not listened, attended my live class or recorded videos, they can now watch my live class. Now this budget, first of all, this budget, what is budget? We should know about the budget. Budget came from the word budget. Budget means leather pouch. Leather pouch. Leather pouch is which you are everyday carrying as wallets, purse. This is called, why you carry this wallets, purse? What you are carrying in this purse? That is money you are carrying. Which money you are carrying? That you are going to spend. How much money you are carrying? That you are estimating in advance. That 100 rupees I may spend for this work, and that you are carrying. And this budget is the estimated, and that is called forecast for future. That you are forecasting your revenues as well as expenses for the future, and this is what called budget. So budget is an estimation of revenues and expenditure in future. हम लोग सरकार का बजट देखते हैं, रेवेन्यूज आता है कहाँ से भाई? तो इनकम टैक्स से। कहाँ से भाई? तो सेल्स टैक्स से। कहाँ से भाई? रोड टैक्स से। कहाँ से भाई? एक्साइज ड्यूटी से। आता है कि नहीं? कहाँ खर्च होता है? एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम में, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोग्राम में, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट में। आपने देखा है कहीं नगर निगम की गाड़ी जिसमें कूड़े फेंके जाते हैं, कुछ लिखा हुआ कभी आप लोगों ने देखा है? शायद नहीं। उसमें क्या लिखा रहता है? कर दो और सेवा लो। कर दो, टैक्स दो, रोड टैक्स दो, और तभी हम आपको सेवा दे सकते हैं। आप कर भी नहीं देंगे और सेवा भी लेना चाहते हैं, नहीं संभव है। इसीलिए वो जो आमदनी आने वाला है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इनकम टैक्स, रोड टैक्स, कस्टम्स, सेल्स टैक्स, वो सरकार का एक रेवेन्यू है जिसको वो खर्च करेगा आने वाले फाइनेंशियल ईयर में। दैट इज व्हाट कॉल्ड बजट। अब बजट होता कहां, कितनी तरह का होता है? हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में सेग्रीगेट करते हैं. वी आर सेग्रीगेटिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट, लाइक सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट, परचेज डिपार्टमेंट, R&D डिपार्टमेंट, कैश, production department. So, to run the business smoothly, and each department has specific job to run, and each and every department supposed to prepare his own budget, like sales department. Sales department will prepare that in the next financial year how much bottles of Nurani Tel I will sell, how much Maruti Zen I will sell. This, the forecast of sales will be estimated by the sales department, not the production department. Okay? Production department. Production department will make a budget referring that how much quantity of product I would like to produce in the next financial year. Is that clear? तो हम कितना मारुति कार, कितना जन हम प्रोड्यूस करेंगे नेक्स्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर में, ये काम, इस तरह का बजट प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट बनाएगा. हम कितना जेन कार को सेल करेंगे, ये प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट नहीं, सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट बनाएगा. ठीक है? अब बात चलती है यहां जो बजट को हम क्लासिफाई करते हैं, क्लासिफिकेशन. एक बात आपको जानना चाहिए, जो सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट सेल्स बजट बनाएगा, और हर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का सबसे पहला बजट जो होगा, जिसको हम फंडामेंटल बजट कहेंगे, वो होगा सेल्स बजट. क्यों भाई? बिकॉज विदाउट सेल्स बजट यू कैनॉट प्रिपेयर एनी बजट. दिस इज द एसेंस ऑफ द सेल्स बजट. Without sales budget, you cannot produce, you cannot prepare production budget. Without sales budget, you cannot prepare cash budget. So first and foremost budget the organization will prepare, that is called sales budget. Okay? So, sales budget. Next one, production budget. Because production budget will be based on sales budget, but sales budget cannot be based on production budget. Third one, the important budget is the cash budget. These three budgets are the most important budget in each and every organization. That is manufacturing organization. Fourth budget is administrative. Overhead budget. R&D budget, research and development budget, and so on and so forth. So the most important budget are sales, production and cash. Rest, if the organization is segregated into more departments, more budgets you have to prepare. Now come to sales budget. In sales budget, how you prepare sales budget? What are the factors you consider at the time of preparing sales budget? Very easy. First of all, for sales budget, what you have to have the idea? For sales budget, the first factor which you need to consider, that is called past sales data. You have to have the past previous data, that is current sales data. If you have, then you can prepare the future sales budget. So current budgeted sales and current actual sale, both is required. Then only you can estimate the sales of the future, otherwise not. So first is past sales data. What else? After that you have to have the idea that which are the other factors on which the sales depends. वो कौन सा और फैक्टर है जिस पर सेल्स, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का सेल डिपेंड करता है? एक है, हो सकता है कोई प्रोडक्ट जो है पॉपुलर तो है, उसका सेल्स भी बढ़ रहा है, the amount of goods, the sales is increasing. But why the sales is increasing? Maybe sales is decreasing. Why the sales is decreasing? The reason may be increasing. Maybe the product is very good, very popular, branded, quality is very good, but other factor is also important. Maybe underpriced. हम जो प्रोडक्ट खरीद रहे हैं उसका दाम बहुत कम है, इसलिए उसका सेल बढ़ गया. मान लीजिए हम कह दें कि टमाटर का भाव कम हो गया, तो क्या होगा? सेल्स बढ़ जाएगा. लेकिन टमाटर का बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन हमको इच्छा है, टमाटर है, उसका मार्केट रेडी है, लेकिन चूंकि उसका दाम ज्यादा हो गया तो उसका सेल घट गया. इट मीन्स व्हाट? द प्राइस overpriced, and due to overprice the sales is decreasing. ये कारण हो जाएगा. मतलब price may be overpriced or underpriced. हो गया. दूसरा, अगर उसको हम स्पेशल कॉन्सेशन दे दें, डिस्काउंट सेल कर दें, when we put some discount, then what happen? Again the sale will increase. Discount sale, gift samples, आप लोगों ने देखा है डॉक्टर साहब को उसके मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो आते हैं उनको दवा देते हैं, सैंपल देते हैं कि नहीं, सबों ने देखा है। हमारे और अपने घर में भी बहुत से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, सेल्स मैनेजर हैं फार्मास्यूटिकल्स कंपनी के, वो डॉक्टर को देते हैं सैंपल, फ्री सैंपल्स। किस लिए भाई? क्योंकि आप इस दवा को, ये दवा बहुत अच्छी है और इस दवा को आप लिखें। तो जब हम फ्री सैंपल, मुझे याद है, आई रिमेंबर दोज डेज व्हेन द सेल्समैन ऑफ Axel Surf came to my home and he asked me to give me one bucket of water and give me the clothes which is dirty one. I will show you how quickly the Surf Excel will clean your shirts. And I will give you free samples of half kg. You use it and thereafter you buy it. And this 2 kgs of Axel Surf, the price of which in the market is 20, I will give you in 10 rupees. This is what? This is the promotion opportunities. With this promotion, they are tempting me to buy this product. After I use, oh, very good, Surf Excel is very good. And like Dr. Shankar, there are suppose 1 lakh customers or consumers want to buy this Axel Surf, means 1 lakh multiplied by 2 kg of Axel, the sale will increase. So, free samples, discount sales. After that, some intensive campaign. Also enhance the sales. Like, I remember one day, one sales executive of Maruti came to my college, referring, and he was the student of my college and he loves me very much. He told me, sir, everybody has car, why not you? Take 1 car. But I don't want. To buy 1 elephant is no problem, but to maintain that elephant, to provide food for elephant is very difficult task. हाथी तो खरीद सकते हैं, लेकिन हाथी का चारा मुश्किल है, हमसे नहीं होगा। सर, आपके लिए there is a special discount, special offer for you. What is that? Maruti company has given one special offer, that is full leather cover, the price of which in the market is 60,000. And this is specifically for you only. Maruti company has given only this offer to each and every sales manager. And this I want to give it to you. No, I don't want. If suppose, if I tempt with this leather cover, and like me, if there are 1 lakh Shankar all over the world, it means 1 lakh Maruti Zen car or Maruti Ridge car, the Maruti company will sell. Is that clear? So these are the points which is very important to consider at the time when you want to prepare sales budget. Is that clear? So this is the end of this, the theory of sales budget. In next class I will discuss about the production budget and then after cash budget, and next class I will discuss one example of sales budget so that the sales budget will be more clear to you. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.